In next 5 minutes, you will be able to design a professional CV to send your supervisor, funding agency, or any panel which can hire you. And this is not exaggeration. With AI tools, using one AI tool and structured approach, you will be able to synthesize a professional CV. And this is what we are going to see in this video. So the only time requires to build a professional CV from a one-pager raw data is the one which you spend watching this video. Building a CV from a scratch is a very hectic and time-taking task for the researchers, specifically for the students who are new and don't have so many long list of skills to mention in the CV. So based on your basic biodata and your some basic skills which you have learned in your educational journey, you can build a professional CV, and you can use appropriate keywords and professional keywords which can represent your skills and learnings in more professional way. We are going to use Claude, a single AI tools, and its magical skill and a connector feature which are going to help you not only to build your one CV for different kind of a job positions and research positions, and I will show you by the end that how by using this AI tool you will be able to design different format of your CV depending upon the position you are applying, but also you will be able that how this tool is going to help you to find the appropriate job posted on job posting platforms. So stay tuned, and all the tools I'm going to use in this video are entirely free. You can use any large language model including ChatGPT, CV, Claude, Gemini, or Google AI Studio to synthesize your professional. But today I'm going to show you Claude, that how you can use it to synthesize, and I will show you some connectors of different style of your CV by using the same basic data Claude, which are going to help you to find positions available on job posting platform, and you can connect them by using add connector feature. So this is a very basic raw data which I'm going to use to synthesize professional CV. My first purpose is to synthesize this data to apply for a PhD position, and I can use the same data to synthesize my CV for industrial position, for any kind of a private sector position, and the format of the CV which I get every time will be different from the previous one. So these are some additions which tool made in that basic data to make it a professional CV. And when I click on the preview, I can see a very well designed, very professional CV with all the basic details, career objectives, educational background with research interest at the top, and then key skills, technical skills, and project that the students have handled up to now. Now I'm going to feed the tool to redesign this CV for the industrial position. Now you can see these are the changes which have been made to make this CV suitable for industrial application, and when I can download it just by pressing on the download button. So here is the quick review about major differences in the CV which Claude have made by using the same basic data. For educational purpose, when you are using CV to apply for PhD position, you can at the top there are career objectives and then educational background including your education, your research publication, your research interest, and the key skills which you have, and then technical skills and project you have applied for and worked for them. And when we look at the details of the career objectives, it will be focused specifically as a student, motivated and research oriented media communication graduate seeking a PhD position to further investigate digital media communication and audience engagement. And when we look at the CV which has been designed for the industrial application, its format is completely different, and the preferences which comes at the top changes as compared to the CV which have been designed for the academic use. So these are the core skills, the key skills which applicant have used for that specific position are mentioned in the core skills, then technical proficiency, then projects and applied experiences, then research and publications, and then education, language, and references. And when we look at the professional summary detail, it's very much different from the career objective. It's based on your hands-on skills. It's creative and detail-oriented media communication graduate with hands-on experience in content creation, video editing, graphic designing, and social media management. Published research with strong analytical and communication skills, adept at translating ideas into engaging visuals and written content. So for every position you are applying, if you mention the description of that job in your prompt section, the Claude will make sure that all the keywords have been embedded properly properly in the CV so that ATS system recognize your CV and you pass the first initial scrutiny. Now, before ending this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use its connector feature to find different positions. As you can see, I have connected this Claude with Indeed, and you can even connect it with any job positioning platform like LinkedIn, where your data and your personal resume is also available and your all professional activities are in record. When you have to add the connector, you just have to press on the connectors, then add connector and then browse connector, and it will take you to another page where list of 100 of connectors are available, and you can connect any just by pressing on the plus button, then by logging in with the same Gmail ID. So I'm going to use the same conversation and I'm going to ask the tool, use the Indeed connector and help me to find the media communication jobs worldwide. So I can handle both, first the CV redesign, then the job search. And now you can see that these are the remote global jobs which have been specifically posted at Indeed. And you can see that this is a social media manager, then social media strategist, social media marketing coordinator, public relation assistant, digital marketing assistant. When I click on any of this job, the tool link will take me to that job at Indeed platform, where I can see the details and I can apply for this job by creating my detailed portfolio and using the same CV which Claude have developed for me, and I can even keep using that for different positions. And in the same way, these are the specific jobs which have been published in Pakistan and specifically at Islamabad, and can check them just by opening the link. And as I'm using the Indeed connector, so it's jobs which have been posted at this platform only, and even I can use the same tool with the same email ID to apply for these jobs. And in this way you can use Claude to handle day-to-day tasks in a very professional way. You just have to write Claude AI in the search part and you can start using this tool in free for your basics. So by using this way, you will be able to convert our raw data into a professional CV, and you can use this AI tool in free for your basic uses. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and to share this video with others to whom you want to help. And if you want to develop your professional CV against any specific position you want to apply and you want to be selected among shortlisted candidates, you can reach us out. The website link is available below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.